What is the best gun for home defense? Is it the rifle by your bedside? Is it the handgun that you already carry every day? Is it the shotgun with all of the attachments that the internet has to offer? In this video, we're gonna look at all the options for home defense and talk about which one is best for you. Let's do it. What is up, guys? Modern Protector here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. All right, so let's talk about home defense guns. Home defense is a crucial part of every protector setup. On one hand, it's where you're most vulnerable because it's where your kids are sleeping in different rooms. Vulnerable? Vulnerable? Vulnerable. But on the other hand, no one knows your house quite like you do, and you get to pick what you fight with. So what is the best home defense gun? Let's consider the options. The AR-15, or replace this with whatever modern rifle of your choosing. Even if you're an AK guy, bless your heart. A modern rifle can be an incredible tool for clearing rooms, making shots at greater distances, and let's be honest, a modern rifle cartridge is incredibly powerful. The downsides are if you end up in a grappling match with a bad guy, it can be really hard to use your rifle. If you've got kids, it's harder to keep an AR locked up but still accessible. And I guess it's also worth mentioning that people like to complain about the power of a rifle shooting through a wall and potentially hitting someone on the other side. While this is somewhat valid, bullets go through drywall. Whether it's a 12 gauge, a 9mm, or a 5.56, if you miss, it's going through the walls.
Don't miss.
Self-defense encounters don't often have ideal backstops, which is why accuracy is so crucial. Make sure you stick around to the end to find out for sure which one is best for you. The concealed carry pistol. All right, so the biggest upsides with your concealed carry pistol is that you don't have to buy another gun for home defense. If you're really diligent in training and dry fire practice, it's probably the gun that you're most familiar with and you shoot the best. If you have a larger concealed carry gun like this Glock 19 or a SIG P3, never mind, then you can add a light on it for nighttime. The downsides are that most of us are not as proficient with our concealed carry gun as we should be, which makes accurate shots at, let's say, 15 yards with our kid's bedroom behind a wall as a backdrop a pretty terrifying thought. It's much easier for a beginner shooter to get better with a rifle than with a pistol. But if you're carrying every day, then I would argue that your pistol skills are more important than getting good with a rifle, since you're more likely to encounter an armed robbery than a home invasion. The home defense shotgun. The one that you don't even have to aim, you just blast the bad guy through the wall.
Oh, brother!
Just kidding. A shotgun can be a great option for home defense, but the downsides might outweigh the upsides.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The upside to a shotgun is the power and the buckshot. It essentially fires 8 9mm rounds every time you pull the trigger, which is pretty incredible. Contrary to popular belief, and depending on the gun, a shotgun spread is still pretty stinking accurate at 15 yards. You can also attach all kinds of goodies to a modern shotgun just like you can an AR. The downside is that a shotgun recoil is no joke. Now with some work, you can get really comfortable with a shotgun, but it's not one that you're just gonna buy and shoot 5 rounds through and be ready to fight for your life. Shotgun is kind of like the banjo of the gun world. It's a tough one to master, and if you're not good at it, you're not good at it. A shotgun is also a long gun, which makes it more challenging to grapple with, just like a rifle. But if you have a sling on either one of those, it can definitely make it easier. So what is the best home defense gun for you? It's going to depend a lot on you. If you're a military guy who is highly trained with your rifle, or you're just a regular civilian who's taken a lot of rifle classes and you're pretty new to concealed carry, I would say your AR-15 is your best bet. If you're one of those weird people who just love shooting shotguns and you have mastered the recoil and you can switch targets with ease and just keep on shooting, then I would say your shotgun is the best tool. But if you're new to guns or concealed carry and you just spent a lot of time training with your pistol, then I would say go with your pistol. I think it's a huge mistake to get really good with your concealed carry pistol and then use a rifle or a shotgun that you're not really competent with for home defense just because some guy at the gun store or some dude on YouTube told you that that's what you need. The most important thing is that you are confident with the gun that you're using to protect your family. So which gun is right for you? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see what I carry every day, then check out this video. If you gain value from this, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.